Hello, welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was devised by Sam Loyd in 1880. You can see that black is heavily down and there is a possible checkmate in 2. It's white's turn. If the queen moves to e8, the king has an escape square. You can then follow up with taking the pawn with the queen, but again there's another escape square. And you get a checkmate in 3, but not in 2. And obviously moving the knight to b4 is a disaster because it just gets taken by the black knight. If white pushes the pawn to d5, if the king moves down to c5, it can get checkmated by the queen. However, if the black queen takes the pawn, then you can get a trade-off, and it is favourable for white, but you still don't get checkmate in 2. If you move the rook up to f5 to help attack with the queen, then the black queen can attack the white king, which then ends up in a drawish situation and not a checkmate in 2. Okay, so the solution to this one is actually to move the queen to e2. If black pushes the pawn, the queen can then move to c4 to checkmate the king. If black tries to move the knight to any of the 3 possible squares, the white knight can just move into b4 to checkmate the king. And if the black queen tries to take the rook, the queen can just then move to e4 to checkmate the king. Okay, that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.